Hello everyone, in front of me is LG G7 Fit, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message, click on Start Chat, and here you've got your current keyboard. To change it, tap on Settings icon, select Languages, choose the one that you want to use, unmark unnecessary languages, or you can stay with both if you want to. And as you can see, the keyboard has been changed. Here you can switch the languages. If you have one language only, this icon will disappear. Let me show you. Let me change. Oh no. Let me change it to one language only. And as you can see, there is no icon to change it because we've got one language to choose from. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.